Welcome to St. Martin. I had an opportunity to visit this island and spend a week here. It is a Caribbean island east of Puerto Rico and right next to Anguilla, a British overseas territory. I was staying in St. Peter's area, in the Dutch side, not too far from the Dutch capital, Philipsburg. You can meet a lot of dogs here, roosters who don't know what time it is and sing during days and nights, and even some cats. The only thing I knew before I came to this island was this beach, where planes land very low and people stand behind big jets when they lift off and try not to fall. It sure is impressive to see this place in person. But what else you can see on the island? You can take a miniman, which will take you to Marigot, the French side capital. The minimans are the public transport of the island and usually costs around $1. You can also use euros here, but the rate is gonna be 1-to-1. It's time to get off and walk toward the port. Okay, there's the port of Marigot. I'm gonna take a boat to St. Bart's today and do a day trip to St. Bart's. But I have like 1 hour to kill and check out the area. It's an early Sunday morning and the city is quite empty. Looks like there is a running competition starting as many people are running. Finally the boat is here. It will take me to St. Bart's Island. It will take around 1 hour and it costs 100 euros for a return ticket. You can get nice views of the island from the boat. The waves are pretty big here and the ride is quite rough, but I will leave this trip for another video. Of course, another place you can't miss on the island is Philipsburg, the capital of the Dutch side. A lot of bars, shops and cafes are here, and it is really touristy as cruise ships stop here too. Artwork can also be found here. And of course you can enjoy the beach and watch the sunset from here. Another nice beach is Little Bay. On the way there you can see iguanas. It's not very far from Philipsburg, just a walking distance away. The locals like to play dominoes. It's definitely a popular game here. How about the east coast? There's a scenic coastline and you can see St. Bart Island in the distance. In Oyster Pond area you can find many iguanas. A lot of them hide in the trees and can be hardly seen. I'm staying in St. Peter's area, which is less touristy and further away from the ocean. There's some artwork here as well, and a lot of dogs. A lot of abandoned cars and garbage can be found here too. I guess these abandoned cars will end up here at some point. Case is another town on the French side. It has restaurants and shops, and it can get quite busy. The French side airport is here too. Towards the western coast of the island you can find areas like this, and a David's Hole, which looks quite impressive. Thank you for watching and see you soon.